Good day, guys. So today I'm gonna look at this nail drill machine. I bought it off an auction as defective, so let's see. I don't know how this works, but my wife says she will use it if I can get it fixed. Let's just put that to the side for the moment. Okay, so I guess there's no cable in here. Oh, there is. Okay. A cable. Let's see if we give it some charge. Does it charge up? Well, it says it's charging there. 0.9 amp going, keeping steady there. 4.8 volts, so it is charging. So I'm just gonna give it a moment to charge up, and then we'll see how it works. While we wait for that, check if this cable is, if there's something wrong with this cable, or is it working. Go to continuity, it's working. Let's check. Inside must be the positive pins. Outside's working. Doesn't seem like it doesn't seem like the positive is working. Is it as easy as a cable fault? Can it be? Well, the positives is not connecting, so maybe it's just a cable fault. I'll have a look if maybe I have a port like this. Let's see if there's maybe anything that we can see, a bend, or doesn't seem like it. Just check it again. It goes in there quite well. Nothing. Outside's working. So maybe it's just a cable fault. I have this The lock is for the to tighten onto the bit. Grabs well. It does seem new. It doesn't. Seems like it has been used. So even all these bits are new. So it's it was sent back to take a lot, and they sold it on auction. Sold it as defective, so yeah, I think before we open it up I need to see if I can give this some power. I wonder if I have a cable like this lying around. I'll have a look and be back. Okay guys, so what I did is I went through my graveyard of old computer wires and chargers and power supplies. So I got this one. Just cut off the wire because it has the correct connector that I need. So I just want to see if it feeds power through. Okay, 5.2 volts. It's on my bench power supply. So let's see if I plug it in here, if this thing will work. Let's get it. It's not necessary. I can just plug it in. Okay, so it's off. Okay, so that thing is spinning. That's not the problem. Switch off the power supply. So I really think the problem is this cable. I just want to see. Okay, this thing must be charged up now. Yes, it comes on and it has a little bit of power in it. F and R, I don't know what that means. We'll figure that out. So what I want to do is plug this in and then test if I get power out of this. So let's see. This one is a negative. That's the negative. This one is the positive. 11.4 volts. So it does give power. Does it vary when you turn that thing? If you go on R. Oh, it's maybe forward and reverse because it gives a negative when I hold it like this. When it's on R, reverse, and forward, I guess, because now the polarity is the same, but it's not RPM. Okay, when on 0 it's off. Till 35, so where does it go? Well, the voltage stays the same. Maybe it needs to draw power to change the RPM. So let's see. Take that out. So power is coming out, and when I give this thing power, it does work. But now it's not working. Yep, so it must be this cable. wonder if I cut it off here and join this one with this one. I'll just temporarily connect it to see which head is broken. I don't want to cut it off there, and this one works and that's the broken one, so I'm gonna cut it off, give me some enough length. Let's put that aside for a moment. Come on. Kom eens, hier is waar een gat. Come on. Doesn't want to pull apart. Let's see. I don't have my wire strippers here. I worked with it somewhere else. Need to bring that back. Okay, let's first find positive and negative. Okay, so positive works there, and negative works. Okay, so this end is working. Not the best cut job I did. Let's just check again which one is this. Okay, so this is positive. I'll do a better job if this is working. This is just temporary. That shouldn't short. Let me get some tape. So I did tape the positive wire closed. know if you can hear that, but it's spinning. Put that on 0. Let me get a bit. Lock it. Okay. So that's working. Go all the way up to 35. Right, it's working. Go down to 4. 1 is fairly slow, but it's working. 0 is off. Okay, so it is definitely a cable problem. I'll do some, just cut it better, get my wire strippers quickly, do a better job here, solder it, put some heat shrink over it. Won't sell it like this, but for private use it will work. So this is some, like a power bank. I wonder if it can charge your phone from here. Let's see. Yep, it's charging. I wonder how big is this battery? Will it be a proper power bank or what? So, okay, I'll pause it there. Get my stuff ready to solder that. Okay, sorry guys, so the camera battery went dead, so I did not notice it while I was soldering. I'm just putting on the last heat shrink and then we're gonna test it. Okay, so that's it. Let's test. Test the negatives. Okay, so they are working. And the positives. Shot. So they are working. Now let's test the nail drill machine. Switch it on. It's on 0. Yep. Well, it seems like it's working, so it wasn't that difficult of a fix. It was just the cable. Something in that cable, the part that I cut off, is not working. So yeah, did a soldering job and heat shrink it on the inside and then put the big heat shrink on the outside, so it should work. Like I said, I won't sell this to anyone like this, but my wife can use it. Yep. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Till next time.